Hello guys, how are you all? Today I'm back with one more amazing video of CapCut, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can add fonts and text to your project using CapCut application. So before moving toward the video, it's a request to all of you, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the video. All you need to do is you just need to press on this plus button, add the desired project. Like in my case, I'm using this video to add text and font in this video. So let me show you how can I add text and different kind of fonts in this project. You just need to press on this text button first, and after that you need to press on add text. You can write down whatever you want in your screen. You can adjust the size of this text in the screen. You can place it wherever you want in your screen, and after that if you want to change the font of this text and if you want to add different kind of styling to this text, you just need to press on this style button. So the slider which I'm dragging right now is the portion of fonts. You can choose the different kind of fonts. As you can see, you can add different kind of fonts, you can adjust the color, you can add the shadow, you can change the background of color. And the second option is effects. You can also use different kind of cool effects which this application is offering. They are totally free to use. This application is actually offering lots of text font styles. You can also add bubbles if you want to, and the last option is the animation. You can use the different kind of animation text styles, and boom, let me show you how it actually looks like in video. As you can see, so you can also adjust the text size in the project. You can increase the size of this project, and boom, you are good to go. So these are the steps which you want to follow if you want to add text and change fonts in CapCut using CapCut. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Boom boom. Ciao.